Good morning, good morning. Wow. Anyway, guys, my name is Alobebe Official, and right now it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So, in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like, and also watch the ads till the end. That's the best way you can support your boy, Alobebe Official. So, right now I'm around at home, and actually this is my house. This is my brother's house. And guys, guess what? I'm taking you to my mom's construction site, going that way, and then so today it's phase 3, and we are moving good. And I thank each and everyone who watch my videos, comment, and also advise me on the comment section, guys. Without you, even today I couldn't build that house at my age, but it's by God's grace. So right now, as you can see from this side here, it's a fantastic morning, and when I'm shooting the videos, we normally, run with the time. So let me check just a minute, check the time, and then we move on. Yeah. So in the morning we are doing curing of the house. Yeah. Okay, just a minute, guys, because my phone was locked. So it's around 7:55 a.m. in the morning, and right now it's already turned 7:56. So I personally, I normally wake up in the morning around 6:30. I was been outside because, sometime when you are building, at night you're sleeping, thinking how, like paying people's money, pushing the house. But before that, let me take you there, let me take you there. And I'm telling you, no one believe like building my mom dream house in my village here. And also, guys, I'm asking for those people who ask me, baby, when did you start your mom's dream house? Right now I start, and I take you there, I take you there right now. So today my neighbors and also my villagers will see the house raised up today. Right now we can't see, but when I stand here, do like that, you see the house, So, oh my god, this is some barbed wire. I need to be very careful because I didn't have gumboot. I washed them, each and every day. My brother's maize are keep growing like crazy, Nana na muziki azime. Uwe, tarime mobile goyo. Josh, tarime radio. So I'm telling them to turn off the music. Mr. Zaka. Okay. Fresh. Okay. So, for those who are new here, this is yesterday's work, and right now you can see the house. At least when we came here, for example, one of my friends, like today, maybe some YouTubers, anyone, even you guys, I could give you special quick tour. You can see these are rooms, a master bedroom, kitchen, things like that, So anyway, for those who are new here, let me take you inside, and then we'll see, This is only day 1. Phase 1, I mean phase 2, because phase 1, it was setting this line. Phase 2, phase 3, you will see, guys. And this is my sister's room, have the back window. And I'm thinking, when I finish, building this house, what come to my mind is to put the perimeter wall here. So here could be neat passing, but that on other side could be wide, and then you know, passing here, it's only maybe 2 people passing here or 1 people. When you came here, it could be more wide, and then we put here the hanging clothes. When my mama, she was washing clothes, and then, you know, come to hang at the back of the house here. So this is the house that we're building. I see. Papa Joffrey ako wapi? Aya, no problem. I see my mason. I asked where is other mason. They told me other mason that Sabato SDA. So that's how things they are here, you know. And also I think the toilet will have the, I think, window here or there, whichever the case. So this is my mom's master bedroom. It has you know, a wide window for the fresh air, you know. I don't want to build maybe a small window reach here, you know. I need something good quality, you know. I don't know whether this size could be another size. Joffrey, hapa pale lingana na pale?
Hapo. Kosi tatu dirisha.
Upana.
Hii ni futi 4.
Si 5 hii.
5, futi 5 hii.
Na ile?
Ile ni 4.
Bana mlifanya 4. Bana mkufanya 5.
Maelekezo hayo.
Mbona hukufanya 5?
Ni maelekezo yaliyotolewa.
Maelekezo.
Maelekezo hapo
weka. Amunaweza bomoa kwa 5. Yeah.
Atutare perigo. Swachika hivi.
Lakini ni sawa tu. Mr. Zabron, say hello.
Hello guys.
Like a rich boss. Greet my people.
Hello guys, morning. It's now that we are on the site. We are about to start today's work, and I hope the day will be fine. So keep in touch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Zabron. Kazi safi. I said good work, and I congratulate my mason, you know. Tata toa suti tata. Tata Zakayo. Uleta maji. Tukumateka. Ile maji dumu moja. In and out to doing curing. Yeah. So guys, you see, my boss are delivering some blocks, pushing them, arranging them, because today could be a tough day, you know. 3 mason, 3 handman, and yesterday we almost finished we finished 1 lorry, you know, these bags of cement here. Whoa! Meanza gari ingine. And then hindo ya mwisho. When you count from here, 20 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ndio mnamalizia gari? Kwa kanye. Ndio mnamalizia. Asindo ya mwisho. Ni sawa. Ishtakora mispeed shuta upate hela ya chai uende. Because I told that guy today no work, but I give them to squeeze the blocks. At least I look something for him to they can sustain a day. You can sustain your day. Say your day. Say hello.
But you can add me 200.
What's 200, bro? Only pushing there. 20 minutes, I give you 100.
1 hour.
1 hour. To the speed. So here I have my own music, you know. I was listening Jamaica. Let me, prove for you guys. Let me prove for you. That's my music.
Bluetooth mode.
I was listening Jamaica. Just a minute, guys. This is my phone here. Oh my God, where it went?
No pain, no gain.
Where my music went? No. I was listening that. You heard? Because I don't want to get copyright, guys. I must be very careful on that. You heard the music, man. I don't want to get copyright, I was listening music. What are you doing, man? About one? Come closer.
I'm saying hello baby official. This hello baby's work. As you can see, we have entered to the site now. So guys,
Maybe you hold this. Eh?
yeah,
You use that one?
I use this.
Maybe this one.
I don't have this.
Could be okay.
Yeah.
That one vlogging
Okay.
more,
Let me use this.
You want to become a YouTuber?
Yeah, I want
Okay. Murapima, muita hivyo ni bigari birenga?
to
5. Ona mafundo amekuja, weke mchanga haraka, nipe simu. Si gari ni 2 wala kwa unasukuma. Ukienda hivyo ni 7. No. Unatoa majani hayo dada, usifunikiane. Naona hayo. Jaenda napaswa ukuta. Majani ni some green grass. Muita subebe 2 mbona hii maoni ni nyepesi. Mbona mnabeba moja na muni vinyege mbona. You see even this young man, I'm telling them you look strong. Pick 2. Miri mbona. Ma unachukua unaweka hapo hivi unaenda. Ndio shambana kuyose mbona. Hata mimi siku moja utajenga nikusaidie. Like that. Hey, oe. Dadi mdogo. Dadi unaitwa na mama huko ndani. So guys, I have been told I supposed to buy I think D12. When I speak D12 I mean steel bar and also the 8 for the to raise up 1 pillar at the back porch of the kitchen. Beba 2 mora. Muito uhesabu vigari. Aya. So guys, we put here stones or machine cut. And this place, look dry. Because the reason is being when the machine cuts lay down, the grass they can't get space to germinate.
Why?
So, isimekufa hivyo tu.
They lack
Photosynthesis. Ama hata wenyewe washike machera waeke hivyo waende. We have another technique. We put here around maybe 6, 7, and then 10 we push. My eyes on you. Na mwitareo tafadhali. Mchanguro wa pili alichanganya hukushika vizuri simiti. Changanya mchanga vizuri. Haya. Si eti piga twende, uchanganye shike. Kama unaona hajashika ongeza simiti ndani. Haya. So guys, I had one person told me to bring the steel bar. Tata Zakayo. Sasa unajua steel bar mpaka tuende na mtu aende kuona. Yeah. Wakati mtu ikumae nondo kwa sababu kuna nondo yenye utashikisha unaweza kunja mwenyewe. Toma nyeri. D12 na D8. Yeah. Amesema aisimamisha akoroge ifike hapa. Ndio hii tofali zisetiwa. Sasa kuenda juu itakuji kama ni mabati korogo ni sawa.
Chuma umeleta?
Tusiretu na uwe. Uchague good quality tag.
Wewe ndio leta chuma bwana. Chuma.
Sasa nje leta chuma afu.
Wewe leta D12 moja na D8 moja.
D12 ni shingapi?
Sijui. 1000 na kitu.
Maba atatera nokare. Musikanyage hapa. Anora bondo kwa bondo hai. Muita. Taru wangu. Kaa ndani mora. Irungulense uone kuna chuma nondo ulete. Kwa kona hivi kwa dirisha. Ero teo tengeneze base hapa wakati huu. When you are sitting here one day, we have a dinner here and also have supper here. You know, we sleep there. Man, look, we need something straight. Okay guys, stay tuned. Right now I'm rushing to the hardware. I need to buy those steel bar for one pillar there. And I think also in front of the porch we have 2 pillars. 1, 2. That is it. So guys, I'm in Nyabohanse and I want to buy the steel bar, you know. Know what I mean? That's what Nyabohanse looks like. See that one? Right there. Construction taking place. So at this moment, let's see on this hardware right here. Mom, nipe di 12 ni shingapi? Si 300. Na D8.
Acha nifanye moja 300.
Na D8.
Unifanye
7. Ai hondoa mbili tu baada kufunga kapio.
Mbili. D8 ama 12.
12 na D8.
Mbili.
Moja.
Iraki kwanza kukudai andi kukudai.
And here we have cement. And sasa shida yako hauna delivery ya bure.
Nitakuja nilete.
Ndio yuko bure.
Na tupige plasta nitakuja nilete.
So mimi bwana asome simiti ni kilo 20 analeta.
Nani?
Haya tuko chuma.
Kisha kilivyo man. Ivere D8 na D.
D8 na D12.
Mbili.
Moja. Uwe mbili. Lola tutaki wizi.
Naleta nani?
Tuko.
Nachukua katu.
Naka ni shingapi?
200. Hii ni 150.
Na Lola nzima ni shingapi?
4,000.
Ahera tu kuarora papa hana. Tiga ahera papa hera. Wewe lo. Wewe. Loro ni kugware. So this is the steel bar. Okay guys. Have wheelbarrow here. You know, padlock for the sides. So guys, I'm heading home after from the hardware, and actually I left my uncle come with those steel bar. You know, sometimes it's good. I promote also him, you know, to get daily income, you know. So I could, you know, type them on my bike, but sometimes, you know, I feel like, let me promote, you know, other people. So as we speak right now, I'm heading home. And by God's grace, I see my brother. You know, so we're heading this way. Wait, baby. Oh. Say hello. Hello. That's my brother once again. So guys, here we are heading home, and it's a coincidence. I meet my brother here from the market. Yeah. We are pushing, and this is the vibe from our village here, you know. Oh my God. Sometimes we have a huge bumps. You know, when you hit the bumps, like boop. My brother, how do you see my mom's house? It looks so cute. So cute and fantastic. Yeah. Okay, that is it. No. So guys, we shall meet home. Stay tuned. Guys, I left my bike right there, and I just, you know, back home again with another story for you as I keep waiting the steel bar. Let me see how the work goes. Hamjafikisha target yenu.
Utapiga bado.
Na nijua ni line zilibaki 11.
Si ndio hii hapa tuna.
Kaunti 11 hivi mpaka kwenye step pale. Hiyo ndio yana bike.
Step gani?
Endo nipozie muziki. Endo upunguze sauti ya simu. They have already created the motor here, and I see my engineer's motorbike. Very fantastic. So I give you some steps. We count 11 lines. Kwani hapa ni ngapi? Usiguze hapa. Hata nani ametoa block hapa. Haya ni mengine. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11.
Mpaka hii hapa ndo tunafika.
Sasa mtaniongeza.
Yaani wewe, uliweka mark.
Sasa mimi mtaniongeza line moja. Joshua, uniongeze.
Hata kuna job vlogs zenye ziko ngumu hata wewe.
Ni sawa.
Mpaka hata tujamaliza.
Sasa zimebaki mbili. No problem. I'll give you that money. So I'm waiting my uncle to arrive. We arrived with those steel bar. Megendo. Napenda mserereko.
Mserereko gani bro?
Chukua wheelbarrow usombe mchanga.
Wheelbarrow sasa ndio wanatumia pale mafundi.
Richi, chuma zimeingia. No. Yes, this is the steel bar. Kale. Yeah. Ma? Mapema. Kini vinaperero ni vifeki. Maka make.
Viko hono, ila viko kutoka. Euro.
Yeah.
Tusabere muhabe tarimba tutokere ha.
Atu yango kwenye taomo sabo sotomora.
Tatoma mwita.
Muitangere
Atoma.
Swangere ga muhabe atunza. Igarabdu yumwen.
Jo muita na atumu mutebi mu kiokore tarimba.
Mane tome tutuka humire.
Su chimbe na jembe.
Jembe ku hansi.
Watarimbo kone negora heko gekwa. Ngoko.
Girani ale re.
Tarimbo kuchimba ndarusi amaro. Miga hai teru musi.
Kenya sore mbole kuliko hayo.
Stotomere Paulo.
Iko hapa.
Nen toki mayera gutukomoi.
Yo yote tumbora
Sawa. Muita. Njoo uende pale kwa leo ulete tarimbo. Tarimbo is a metallic straight using to dig the ground. Endo ambia leo akupe tarimbo uso anyo. Quick and fast.
Inaitwaje kwa kizungu? Inaitwaje kwa kizungu tarimbo?
Tarimbo is tarimbo.
Kwa kizungu.
Mshakanyaga mmebomoa hapa tayari.
Hanongo janga pale nyumba au baka sombere kubrox yobo bado haraje tukorogere kimuhu.
Sasa mbona jana ukuchimba ifike? Tutaki kurudi
Utachimbaje ifike na jembe ina fa iende deep. Inafaa iende deeper. Deeper. Inafaa kwenda deeper. Hamna tarimbo.
Nichuleta binding. Nimenunua nilijua tu.
Nipe pikipiki nipate.
Nimenunua karaka 150.
Ile nyingine itakuja nikuletee.
Suleta tarora nzima.
Wewe nitaitoa.
Nichina chuma zitaenda ngapi? Chuma za rent.
Subiri kwanza tapima nyumba. Tapima nyumba exactly.
Yes, I need to know the steel bar for the rental. If there's no, it's advisable.
Hey. I'm not sure kwamba linto ni Kiingereza kweli?
It's beam.
Beam.
Oh.
Ring beam.
Ama zitakula chuma 30.
Nilitoka wapi? Ngoja kwanza niligugu hapa. Hapo nianze spelling yake. Unataka kuuza kabanda hilo hata alijulikani spelling.
Inaitwa ring beam.
Tunataka hapa. Kwa mtu aliyesimama.
Yeah, to be an open kitchen.
Sinaweka kosi moja tu.
Kosi moja sitakuwa juu sana.
Si unajua hapa kuna nini, kuna kokoto hapa chini. Tunaweka kosi moja.
Kwa sababu ya
siku na slab.
Hata nilikuwa na dani kosi hata hapo hivi ingekuwa imetosha. Ni kitu ya kukaa tu na kula. Hii toki.
Eti itoke na wakati unasema nataka kuongeza.
No.
Ona. Kuna worktop hivi inatengenezwa hapo.
Kwa hapa.
Na hapo nilipoweka hapo. Na hapa inaishia hapa hivi.
Achika hapa. Ama katakuwa chini. Unajua kuna finishing hapa.
Hata kama chini sana. Mngelifunga na hii tu.
So guys, we try to see the working top. And guys, this is the roofing for the house. You see? Hey. Hey.
Ni open kitchen.
Open kitchen.
Si ni mita moja kutoka chini.
Mita moja. Amefika sasa kama ni mita moja.
90. Sasa nishinda kuipigia mahesabu kwenye mota mwanzo.
Hapo pako ni ama ni 90.
Ni 90. Hapo mwisho.
Sasa itabaki hivi. Itabaki hivyo, si ndio?
Ati hapo.
Guys, we try to see the working place here for the dining. Power. Show them the can, like
We call it
African.
Akel.
Not scale.
I don't know.
These are snack. Mandazi. Take one.
Bakas.
Yeah. They have been, like chuguru. Kujeni. One. If it be guys, I need to put porridge.
Mbota makuto.
Gisirang. Ini Amia. Kunywa fadha ni kutume nyabu. So jule mayai ya 350. Utaenda kwa mama Faith unapaja kote.
Oho nse ntatwa 50 ama.
One.
Atamokane ntatwa 50.
No amwelekeze mbe yaleta.
Toro hapo.
Ikomo.
nayenga tusobola kubona mu matoke nga 3 oba 4 tujja bulamu. Ati singa mwogera ne peradi.
Kigambo kigange kiganda.
Ni porridge here.
Ni bwaba tajirina nayenga peradi asobola okuyiya kati ate agaba ina pe.
Abatanaga.
Aka usani na bande kule pale.
Kanga na mtu kirungu.
Moja. Kuna kudongo ito kusomba manchi. Bonge.
Yes sir.
Bonge in the building. Take bonge. Enjoy. Temke mandas. So au tegerusha utokora kukusomba manchi.
Asante sokoro.
Guys, we are pushing, and today we raise up here this wall, that one, and also inside. And then from that, we go to each and every corner because today I have only 3 masons here.
I collect something here. Bong.
See some blocks, and yesterday we finished 1 road or 1 track for the blocks. Wakakwapa kana mbali mbara mbachi pakakenga nkwe. So this one it's ready for the setting here, and then that way we left the gap for the door. So maybe when you're operating on that side, you can't see what's going on here. It's a secret. Mr. Bongo.
Yes sir.
How are you, man?
I'm fine.
Still kukazia. Mani kama hakuna ratio humu ya.
Sawa.
Mimi nauliza, ni mafundi.
Sawa.
Guys, try to imagine on my mama, maybe she was sleeping here. Look that view. Huh? That's a window. And then watching this view. And I think that side, it could maybe a tall building. This view here. Super nice.
Yes.
Pushing. Gampala.
Unijama tukimu, nikana kutoka rich. Kiankanye kasi. Karibu mushi.
Yeah.
Abachaba ni barabara kukuige babu nani. Babu akiza. Nani turungu oche. Akiza.
Wari teme kabiro ta. Sembe.
Yo teme ro kare tare ngoturu han. Teno ndi kare ndi ke bichiri. Betri.
Sarara. Boyan.
Kawajo.
They are holding here. Kono fresh barida. Sisi china ngure bantu na tata kumachira tsemek.
Bagole. Okay.
So let me go outside, guys. See, new wheelbarrow here. And you know, sometimes me, guys, you know, I keep pushing myself day by day, day by day. Yeah. Now, yesterday we pushed the whole truck for the blocks till this place here. I think right here. And today we start another group for the blocks. The first stock right here. Man, it's by God's grace. You know. We're still pushing. Yeah. So I think, guys, before this, let me visit my brother's maze. I think also him who will watch these videos, see how the maze is going. Apart from this, I'll take you down that way and then to my uncle's on the other side, where maybe during in the month of September, not taking place, there is a small farm for my brother's maze. Let me give you mtu asishike pikipiki. Mesikia? So I'm telling the kids don't touch the motorbike. Let me take you to my brother's maze, where he runs the farm and plant the maize. The good thing about in our village here, if you have money and you don't want to go to the farm, and at the same time, if you have farm, you can give somebody to plant maize and give you something, so to sustain maybe your basic need. And if you want to go to the farm, also all in well, just okay. So at this particular time, hey guys, I don't know if I do like this because of you know, the sun. So let me visit my brother's maze a little bit, and then you know, we see how things go. We start from here, you know. Look, and also my mama plants some beans here, the own beans right here. You see the maize doing fantastic. Look here by yourself. So it's from here going down where some trees right there. It's only 1 hectare. And when my great grandma was alive, my brother he signed a contract like 1 season, paying my grandma money to, you know, sustain her basic need. But unfortunately, she was passed away, and I wanna say my soul rest in peace. I love her, but you know, it's a normal life. So I don't think for the somebody who's staying there, she's a lady around at the age of 55 to 60 years. She was staying there. So maybe she was the one who taking control, because this is the properties from my great grandma's son, and also this is another son for my great grandma. The same my great grandma, you know, they partitioned this land into 2 pieces, this side and this side. So, and to be honest, at the same time, this is my dad's shares. From there up to here, only 50 by I think 50 by 100. It's a small land. So when I build my house and my brother, no, like there's no space you can maybe plant maize, you know, things like that. But you know, I'm still praying Almighty God to help me with my family, so we can stay in 1 compound, and also in a small piece. This one here we plant maize, and we do our own thing, because 100 by 50 is a small piece of land, you know. But that's what we have. So yeah, it's going up to on that tree. Let me go, guys, and show you, you know, from all the way from other side. The good thing about me, when I show you things on camera, it's live, you know, live. Hey, maize. Huh? And also beans inside. And there's some places where they didn't put fertilizer. It reached on that gap between there. But I see it's doing well. When you see the maize germinates well, it's because you put more fertilizer. But if you didn't put any fertilizer, oh my God, trust me, you'll never harvest any maize from the farm. Look, you see. So I was telling you it's 1 hectare and it's reached at this point here. You see, there's a point here. There's a point here, man. See, on these trees here. Going that way, that's my neighbor's land. So this is a boundary. This tree is going all the way to other side. So it reached here. And that's how things they are. And I think, guys, I want to take you to other side. I think on other side, right there. Also to check how the maize they were been doing. I just paid the visits for my brother's project. And sometime when he was in school studying, when they get free time, they click, and then sometimes might find these videos. They watch how, you know, things they are. So look, and over there, that's my neighbor right there. You see, where's the bungalow? Right there. If maybe our land could reach on this point, even me I could build here to be a neighbor on that side. But this is not our shares, you know. Our shares on upper side. Where I build the toilet, and maybe you count 50 meters apart, 50 feet from the toilet. You know, it's like 100 by 50. Very small. But what we need is to stay in peace, having love, and sharing what we have to our family. Only that. The rest of the things will follow. Maybe one day when I get money and when I found the land around the village, I'll buy for the land for the planting maize, you know, like mostly food crop and cash crop. Only that, you know. Wow. So let's take you to the next project. Even when I was passing on the other side, this side that you see there's some maize, I'll show you again. That's my brother's project as we keep moving towards further end. These avocado trees right here. It has a good shade. When I stand like this, and now you can see me clear. You know. Gonna move, man. These are local trees. I don't know how we call this. If you see some leaves, I think right here, drop on the sweet comments, and I will know on the comment section what does mean the name of that trees. So this is my brother's maize, but he plants in a different some couple of days, you know. That's the reason why you see here it's different rather than right there. You know, on the other side it looks like this one here. So here it didn't, you know, gives what you call pistol or stamina. I don't know. I started in primary some month ago. Not month, years ago. Not month, guys. Some years ago. Sometimes I forget. But I have sharp mind to remember. So it reached here, I think, on this side. All the way from that, where you see the tall tree right there. Come this way up to this corner. You know? So I'll show you random. I'm just showing you. Just show you random, guys. See, guys. Also, this is the part of my family here. It's my uncle's home because my family is large. Going on that family, that one, you know. So this is my brother's project from this side here. You see, look how the maize are being bigger. You know, too big. Yeah. Even to this side here. You know, very big, very, and they are doing well. Look. You know, I know like most of maybe other country, one maize like this, when it's grow bigger, when it's roasted you can buy around maybe $3, $4, but in our village here it's only 0.0 something dollars. So guys, yesterday we were watching my videos. I was working with one of my uncle who working there wearing a navy shirt. So I promised him, I give him like, let me say 3 wheelbarrow of the sand and also 1 bag of cement, like for him to look the way how he can buy bricks so we can build a toilet. Let me show you on this side here. Pap, temis kumahano aipanda nyabisa hii ndo utavuna siku nyingi hii. Unaenda Mabera sawa, wananunua vya 50, mkipanda za 300 zimee mtoe mbegu mweke. So guys, let me show you here. Yeah. Niko around hapa tu. So guys, when you know sometimes when I'm saying thing I mean and I know the reality. This one, I mean this. You see, imagine this is a toilet right here. That's a hole, and you can see it's a polythene paper and it's empty, you know, right there this way, only covered by here. So I think even 500 bricks is a lot. I think 300 and 1 bag of cement. So when you raise up the wall up to here and then maybe here, this height, at least, you know, he can be on a good condition. But right now, that's the condition, you know. But anyway, me when he bring the bricks, I'll do my part, like support him with maybe 1 bag or 2 bag, and sand I give him for free. Look, big banana. Anyway guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next part of the video. Guys, now we are pushing. It's so hot. I take out, yeah? Mason hammer. Huh? So tafte. I take out my shirt. Later I reach. So they have already cut this steel bar here for the pillars. Money power. This is for the steel bar. This steel bar is for the rental, I mean, especially at the back too. Money power. Kwani hizi vitu zitaenda hadi juu?
Hizi ni za kushikilia wataunga.
Hakuna ingine ya kuunga.
Hiyo tu ndio imebaki. Nimekata 4.
So we're supposed to buy another steel bar. Icheke mpaka tuneno ndo moja. Sipira iende juu.
Hii ni kubwa sana, haiwezi kakunja, itakunja hivi. Lete view chuma hiyo
hivi hapa.
Niko tu hapa. Sasa nakwambia, sasa kama hicho kirefu unaweza ukakipiga wewe hiki.
Hivyo ndio imekuwa.
Hii nondo ulioileta hapo.
Haitoshi.
Hii ya hapa yani sijui ulikuwa umeitumia wewe hapa. Ni mbovu.
Si nilikwambia. Na zenye nimeleta sai.
Hiyo niko sawa.
Hadi 12. So kuna pesa tutaenda tuzichukue ni sasa. Hapa Nyabwanzi. So here is the setting, you know, of the pillars, and then we mix the concrete.
Casting the tumor.
Yes. Yeah, I think the 12 is not enough. When you measure this size here, it's not enough. See this? So maybe I'll buy another one extra. Even on the ringtone, we'll put the 12. Yeah! Put the 12. This is the ballast here. Yeah, Mom! I'm speaking with my mom. You know. Okay. So the work is going on. No. In a class, learning. Let's see how you tie the beam. Eh? Ulikuwa na futi ya kupima baby sentimita venye unapima? Ishakuwa, usikaze sana. Ngoja uoneshwe. With the engineer. Sasa kuna kata fupi mali pa. So toe hakorizi.
Ni fupi.
Mara zote ni fupi. And ulete binding uko tukata.
Hii ni single. Sasa single haiwezi kawa ngumu vizuri.
We are learning, guys.
Nishika chuma.
Wanapima tena umenyerekana. Kuna kati hapa. Hapa. Pime ule.
Inafaa uifunge hivi. Sio hivi. Hivi chuma si unaiona? Inakimbia inarudi.
Tata ndefu.
Ndefu anakata. Kati hapo umeshika tu.
Sorry.
System yako ya kukata kuweka funga si sahihi sana.
We are learning here, guys.
Mimi hata kabogoro nafikiri na mtu kujifungia.
Natumia msumari.
Sisi tuna pinsa zetu zile.
So let's go and fix. Manpa, let me hold for you. Turn the music off. Turn off the music. Because I don't want to get copyright, you know. Namteka kamba. Nini? Mwaga maji. Toa mchanga wote afu mwage maji ndani.
Ikae juu.
Ikae juu?
Inakaa juu ya kokoto kidogo, iwezi kaa chini.
Richi. Job tu. And then you put water, you put concrete, you know, and then fix this. Adirimivu mezibwa kidogo. So guys, on this part of the videos, I visit Mwita's home and I show people.
Wapi? Si hapo nimechimba tena.
Uone kuja hapa.
Wewe uone.
Sasa utamwaga maji uweke kokoto kidogo.
Mwaga maji uweke zege hapo kwanza.
Ndio tuweke hii.
Hii inakaa nyuma mpaka iende na ukuta ule. Hapo.
Tunyete zege kwanza.
Acha nichanganye zege ndio nimwage maji.
Hapo itabidi upate na vimao huko. Hili shimo ni kubwa.
Hapa kuna mfinyiko. Kuna kizungu hapa. Sasa kuna mtihani hapo, na mtihani mgumu
Hapa. Ni mrahisi. Naona nimeshapiga hapo mchanga, hiyo ni moto sasa nimeweka. Nikisukuma hii nguzo hapo, taikazia kidogo.
Alafu nzima ama nusu.
Hapa sasa ni ya kupita, nzima inakuja huko.
Very tricky. Very tricky, guys. I'm telling you, these are stuff for my mama. You know, when we are building here, me, I think, you know, like it's a small store. But right now, even I can put a mattress and then I sleep down on the floor. So here is the washing place. Maybe you wanna cook here. Hey, sasa tutaweka wapi nini? Ile meko ya gesi ile. Unajua? Ile jiko linakaa kama lina hadi oven. Litaweka wapi?
Sitakuwa hapa.
Wapi? Tuasumi ni sehemu ya kuosha vyombo. Hapo. Litakuwa wapi hapo?
Working table itajengwa kutoka hapa.
So renyewe linafaa likae hapo. Hapo. Somewhere hapo. Kuanzia hapo kwenda hapo, si ndio? Acha space. Ile jiko ile la gesi.
Unaona hii kona yote hii. Kuanzia hapa hivi. Mpaka hapa. Hapa ndio itakuwa sinki ngosha vitu. Hapa ndio kuna dirisha.
Na kupika ni hapa.
Sasa kupika ni hapa.
Hapa kuanzia hapa mpaka hapo panatosha.
Panatosha. Hapa juu kutakuwa na drawer. Hapa ndani empty. There is nothing inside here. Empty.
Na una tumbo ngumu.
Shida yenda ne herenga.
Kazi safi sana. Kazi iko sawa.
Wewe bro katoka hapa.
Mimi ni broke.
Wikiache usichoro msensi. Utachora ge?
Mano nore naranko te mkono bana.
Sawa. Kana wewe hapo na.
Ikinko mekerale bro. Now guys, the work for today is, you know, to raise up the wall inside.
This is a half walling.
Half walling. So after this maybe utajoin the corner, sindio?
Yep. Call it setting.
And then you see by Monday. I think by tomorrow, guys, I'll have a short break. And before that, you know, there is Rinto. Now we need more steel bar. I think around 40 steel bar, and one goes to 1,300. So if I get around $400. I'll buy steel bar for the rental. Rental, guys. Only $400 to buy steel bar. Eh.
Yes.
Hey, if you're mambira kama 50. Eh. Na ni 12.
Ndi tu afraba.
Eh? Ekiko mami sijui vile mnafunga ta. Okay guys, the work is going on. We are setting this pillar here. And I think lunch is around on the corner. Ona kuna chukua hii mawe, unasimama hapo kwa dirisha hapo. Unarusha hivi. Mama, food is ready. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Say subscribe
Subscribe
to Hello Baby.
to Hello Baby.
Yeah guys, I made my mama to smile by building her a dream house. So today it's eggs. And also I think some veggies here. You know, and no, it's yellow girl. You know, sometimes I thought by my grandma when you eat this yellow girl, it has more energy. Mwitaso ikokoto ndo tamaliza tukule. Panye biruru siri, haina shida. Yesu ni wanule jana kama kinisa ya hakuna. Zakayo. We bonge. Bonge. Data Zakayo. Haurusiri rukuro. Akia Mungu guys. Hizo mbili zitabaki. Ni sawa. Taenda nilete kamba lakini ipere chocho. Ya moso kinchibeki.
Unaleta kama nyingine?
Ni tunzi. Sasa mbi kuweka kamba.
Au utawakata 50. Hakuna kwa zimeenda. Kuna kamba moja hii hapa.
Wamemeza ingine. Kenya. Kenya bila connection. Autoboy. Si hadi hapo iko straight.
Hapo iko sawa. Mwaga huko kwangu huko.
Just do it. As now you are putting concrete. You know. Narudia. Weka pale. Na 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 na.
Hatua. Hatua. Hatua.
Shilingi 50. Usino hiyo. Unakwenda kasi ya laki moja. Sari ngorodaimo.
Ni paki yangu. Lunch time and I'm totally hungry. Hauna mayai? No eggs?
No eggs. Eating calves.
There is eggs here. This one is enough. Ngaza watu mboga. Plus
Yes. Skuma.
Usirira on.
Oh.
Kuna moja, ai si ndo hii. Uwe,
Ayangu ya.
si ndo kwa hotpot.
Siboro no bukina mburu.
Koho? On this hotpot. Haya.
Kawambe magi.
Chukua mayai ugawe mwita. Don't be pretender. Eka out mayai. No corruption. Say no corruption.
The higher you go, the could become.
Today's a good meal.
Corruption has been ruined. I've seen it.
Utamisi enda kwa wengine. Sasa unaona. Ushamisi. Mimi mayai yako sawa. Hey. Ugali. The whole of hot pot. You know the good thing about Africa. The good thing about Africa, like muita, you can put like the whole hot pot. Some kind of types of the food muita will eat. Eh? Sema unaweza kula. It's a hot pot. Yeah. Akidu maliza ugali.
Ugali naisha.
And then you gain more energy. Usukume wiriba.
Wiriba concrete.
Now we finish inside, and I think the house have the same level. When I'm standing here, you see the further end. So right now the only work remaining here is to raise up this corner mpaka kwenye stage ya lento, ring beam. This corner, that corner. We say every corner, right? Yes. Okay, my friend.
No issue. Yeah. Yes.
Every corner.
Every corner.
That one, and then on Monday we say like goodbye, and then still zinaanza kuomba. When it reaches the ringtone, we start, thinking how we get stillbar. Around 12 pieces. 12 pieces. 12 pieces. Oh my God. And you see the mortar. Grade 2. We have grade 1 pure cement. This is grade 2. So you see this corner, that corner, and also that corner. So by Monday, the house will reach at the rental bin, and also, we'll see how things go, like here, I'm telling you. I'm pushing day by day. Pushing day by day. Day by day. Bangero Nuru City. Hi. Day by day. Let me stop this rope. Right there, so when it reach that stage by Monday, so we start thinking how maybe we'll get the steel bar. But for me guys, now I'll reach this house to the rental stage, but in terms of steel bar, I'm blocked, and my engineer need 50 pieces of steel bar. I'm telling you, 50 pieces. That's D12, and then D8, 15 pieces. When I get $400, I think I'll buy those steel bar. I have cement, I have ballast, I have sand. I'm lacking only steel bar. D12, 50 pieces, and also D8 15 pieces. That's how things go. And then we push the house. Panga, msaidia panga. And then we push the house. You see, this is more concrete because we have a beam here for the entry of this door. Oh, hii dirisha hapa hailingani na hiyo. This is where my mama will be cook. Here there's a washing dish, gas cooker here, on the wall, maybe cupboard, you know. I'm trying not to think the design of this kitchen. Here, and also the gas automatically I will put outside, not inside. That one, I'm very, you know, careful. Look the ratio, guys. Look. Look. Tata mi I think tunaweka ratio nzuri. Si kulipua. And also this is a store. We raised up the house. Look, it's the same level. But the good thing is we're remaining with corners. Corner, 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 corner. If you want to build in Africa here, please use machine cuts. This one here, imagine this, day 2 building here, and let's see day 3 how things go. Unapiga kabira wako.
This is a half of the house now.
A half.
Yeah, we need but when the Jew doesn't need a lot of blocks.
Yes. And also the only thing that needs to hear more tough for me, it's still back, guys. Kindly. When I get $400, you see me putting the rinto.
That's cool.
Yeah. No, let me know. The window is around 4 feet for the bedroom. Yes.
How are you, my
I'm good, my brother. This, you know.
I can see the work is being done.
Yes,
You
you reach at the half of the house.
are doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm trying my best.
You are trying.
Yes.
That's good. It's
Maybe.
good always to try.
Yes.
Yeah.
By God willing, maybe my house in the future. Only God knows.
Only God knows
Yes.
how it will be.
In the future, not now. Now I'm focusing to build my mama house, finish. I put her perimeter wall, and then I left my mom in a good condition, and boom,
Boom.
boom.
Bomba club.
Don't say that. That word you're not allowed to say here. Yes, it's meant for the Patwa people.
Part of
Patwa. People who live in Jamaica. In Africa, in Kenya, you said Sheng. Yes, Shembeteng. But in Jamaica, they speak that one. In Jamaica, they speak Patwa. When you say that word, yeah. Wagwan, man. Highly. Only that. That is it. So I was explaining, we're having here the door between this and that. And also this is a door. This is a door here. But here, we put another wall here. So the door will exchange from here to here. So this could be maybe a wardrobe here for the clothes. We put the mirror here. And also we are sleeping there. Chair here, like a couch. Table and then screen. Now I can give you a house tour for this house, but first time when we're doing like setting of the house, like, you know, digging of the foundation, I see other room are too small, sitting room, dining. Now, man, now, hey. Wacha kushika mabuloku taribu kabiro. Uchishike buloku taribu kabiro. Usigotora agate matata. Kai. Sasa usishike taribu. Bosi wangu, taribu kabiro kwenye kona.
Ndio yangu na yama.
Bana hotubano mozenzi.
Futuri chikupiga.
Kana unaona mtu wako huko. Unamsaidizi tata, mwambia kusaidia. Ama anataka awe fundi. Daddy, asaro songo tu sim kumar. Anyway, guys, let's relax and then I'll wait at the end of the day. I'll show you. See, guys, I think the timbers have arrived. I'm very keen. That's mtu liko nakulichoki. I'm very keen. Kuna mbao. Roll. Sawa. Rich. Achuturion. Some timbers have arrived, guys. Chigo somboy kweli. Chigo somboy hale. Hayo. Timbers have arrived, guys, for the rental, and they will use up to raise up, you know, some height. Nchino bana chiho?
Achino 12.
Futu 12.
Asa bado 14 mbao 6. Ni nchire.
Richi, ataleta futi 14. Ziko mbao 6 ndio zimebaki huko. Hizi ni 7 futi 12. Na zile ni 6 futi 14. Sawa. Msani. Zabron. Tambelekea mro. I'm calling Msani means like friend. Skirian. Amwezi shusha, very heavy.
Shika moja na ruhusa tu.
Mama ra chimba ruhusa. I'm telling you guys, we indicate material construction. We forget steel bar, we forget timbers for the rental.
Picha hii siarekini tapepa kwa ndege kwa renjo moves.
Siatacha na hapa ambaini. Kwa chito cha nichindi. Kama hivyo. Kama kunya chile sana.
Asa zimebaki 6.
Wakegere kwa gani.
Kama mweka msalato mngatawa bichimba.
Watajipa inatebe katenda chiki. Karenta noi.
Bakuende pole pole. Sasa zile 16 kiora yako. Utafunga hivi. 6 chini. Futi 14. Ni kidogo tu zimeshindia hii.
Nenda. Mahali pene haransombole. No magunda.
Iko bado ndese. Kana mbika ni bereki unurumu bene kwa mahabene tofauti. Ani ukiganza sabachire.
Sasa.
Yani sasa chiruma nchakane.
Tehana chukora.
Weka silari humo ndani.
Ukuheta magunda.
Sika ndo umwage maji. Mmoja aanze kumwagia maji wawili wakusanye mchanga wote wa ndani.
Sasa mimi nimwagilia maji.
Sika umeenda. Usitegemee kwamba mvua itanyesha. Mvua ikinyesha unaweza ukaacha kumwaga, mvua ikakosa karibu.
Mwangarasi, umwage penye tofali ulianza kuseti kwenda chini. Si yote. Kijana mserereko.
Leo amefuata yeye. Anaanza kutengeneza kabezi kuanzia asubuhi mpaka.
Si bado hizi. Lakini sioni kwenye fisher board zitatumika.
Hakuna. Fisher board utatumiaje hizi na wewe? Acha. Unatengeneza nyumba ya.
Hii nyumba ingine hii.
Mambo yako.
Ama nitakuwa nazo ndio nafanyia kazi.
Hizi ni nzuri kwa bimu. Funga bimu. Nzuri sana.
Sirenda kuna sehemu ndefu utakuwa unazitumia.
Kwanza ukinunua za futi 14 ni nzuri sana. Au katikati sana.
Tazitunza hizi, si bado kuna pila za.
Sasa hapa sasa hivi wanazipeleka wapi?
Zitarara tu ndani.
Uzipange sehemu ambapo zinanyoka vizuri.
Another group. Kama natarisi. Sasa naomba kuja washu. Upere kumwambia asante. Katikati ya wiki weekend ulisema tumeniachia warembo. Anko mwiza mtantu wa skiti baba na hands. So. Hey, mjaosha. Hii ni ya Ricky. So guys, people they need to be paid, and this is the work for today. Actually guys, I'm happy for this progress, and yeah, all house at the same level, you know. You see, you know, and then they raise that corner, this corner, and also that corner, you know. Say goodbye. Guys, I thank God for this day, and we call our day, man, because I pay people in the construction, timbers are coming, we're remaining with steel bar. But guys, my humble request was how maybe we can get the steel bar for the rental, and I said on my video 50 pieces for D12 will go around the house, and then D8 15 pieces for, you know, like attaching. So that one is the main hectic that I have on my construction site. So when I get $400, I'll buy those steel bar that are needed, and also binding wire, you know. Right now, even tomorrow, I'll never work, and at the same time, I'm supposed to buy some timbers, more timbers, like 30 pieces. So far so good, we managed to get 14 pieces. So 13 pieces, I'm remaining with around you know, 17 pieces. So I see it's better when maybe you negotiate with people around in my village here. I can maybe buy 1 tree and then I split. I get those 17 pieces that are needed, and also those 30 pieces will fix like a halfway of the house when we put the steel bar. We put the concrete half of the house, and then after 2 to 3 days we demolish those timbers, we squeeze that way. But like buying the whole house, oh, you end up like 0-0. So me on the steel bar, I'm insisting on that, because even me, guys, I'm trying my best, pushing the house, I'm trying, and it's by God's grace. For this far, it's by God's grace, it's by God's power. It's not my power, you know, but my work is to do the best as I can. And I want to see my African mom smile, because now she was living in Mabati house. If this could be a blue gum, a gravate, I could cut this one, but it's a blue gum, so this one are not needed, you know. So let's see. And here I see my mama washing lunch dinner utensils. that are, you know, visitors used. Mama, say hello because I'm.
Hello.
Yeah. She was washing utensil. I'm ending my video by saying thank you everyone. May God bless you. Let's meet by maybe on Monday, because right now even me, I want, you know, to rest only one day and then my mind to be fixed together, you know, like controlling people here and there. Look how the house reach, and it's the same level to the bedroom and everything, and there's some corners to raise up. So guys, for me, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Let's see you on tomorrow's video. Tomorrow I'll try, but not construction. The construction will open on Monday. You know, let's see by tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye.